Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2 to this. I just did one with a square, and five-sided pentagon is a little bit different, and some things react differently, which I don't really understand. I'm going to take I'm going to take a six-sided polygon, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Let's make it a little bit larger. Then I'm going to Control D, or not yet. It's in the center of the page. I'm going to make it a 5. That's still in the center of the page. As far as Corel is concerned, the pentagon is centered right there, the center right there. So I want to rotate this thing. So I'm going to move the center rotation of there because I'm going to rotate it. It's five-sided, so it's 72 degrees, but we're going to go 36 because I want that up top. Then I'm going to take another one, Control D, and make a duplicate, and then grab the two-sided arrow and bring that in. Now I'm going to take my 2-point lines, just like I did in the other. Everything's the same from here on out almost, with the exception that for some reason, this shape, you wouldn't think it would matter. But if you watch the first video, I had to insert the text upside down. Well, with this shape, for some reason, I don't. So if it ever happens, just go ahead and do it. So we're going to go to Effects. No, you know what I need? I need to contour it first. So I'm going to get this. I'm going to contour the inside because I want I want some space around the wordage. So I'm just going to fill that in. And I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to go to under Effects and Envelope, grab Create from Envelope Form, and see that time it didn't flip the text. Now I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select both those and go EC. Now I can try to take away my box, and I got it. Then grab this and go over. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete my polygon, put this back, Control D and make a duplicate. And because there's 5, it is 72 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.